This is going to be one of the coolest toothbrushes that you will have. So let's see what's inside. And here you go. The cool thing about this is that you get a traveling case. If you are out and about, you know, going to visit family, whether it's being out of state or overseas, then they give you a cool case. Nice zipper. It's very luxurious. Wow, look at that. And the case has its own recess for the toothbrush. This is going to be amazing. So right here you have floss. You can floss only and you can brush and floss. This is how you put water into your basin. And if you need to clean your basin, here you go. All right, you take the bottom off. You clean the inside because you always want to clean that. You don't want to let water sit. Yes, water molds up and that's nasty, right? So you always want to clean your basin out. That way you can clear out all bacteria. A cleaning brush. I will put a link in the description. So we're going to put it on and that's it. All right. This is amazing because they give you a brush cover for it. I mean, you can't get mad at that. And that's how the water get distributed out. Boom, right there. Now let's see if we have any life in it. Let's just see. Oh, it actually shakes. This is better than my my other one that I have upstairs. I'll show y'all a little comparison. I like this. 66,000 movements. I'm gonna get a little closer for y'all. Hopefully y'all can see. You hit this button right here to go in different modes. This is amazing. Number one is more like a vibration. It still shakes though. Number two, and then number three. So if you want to know the water stream to this is 0.55 millimeters of water streaming, and they give you an extra 80 seconds of flossing. When you put it on floss, this is how it goes. And then you have this lightning bolt right here. The cool thing about this lightning bolt is that it's magnetic. This is a magnetic charger. Boom, right there. So that's how you charge it. Regular USB. Don't y'all miss this? Everything used to be this back in the days. Fully charged, 30 days, no worries. Let's go ahead and check out the water floss. I have been using this for a week now, and I have to say I love this toothbrush. You have your basin. This is the cap. Take the cap off and fill it up with water. So you see that? That's how it comes out. If you want to brush, you hit the top part. If you want to floss, you hit floss, and you can floss and brush. All right, you guys. So if you want to go straight to floss, you hit floss. If you want to brush and floss, you hit this one right here. So what it does is it's like a 2-minute timer on each zone. So you can brush your right, you can brush your left, and you can brush your front, however you do it, you know, front, left, right, however you go from left to right, whatever, right? So you can brush your teeth. But once you're done on your third zone, the floss will automatically engage after your third zone. That way you can go ahead and just floss the rest. When the 2 minutes is up, you'll hear a sound, or you'll feel it on here. And it's nice and comfortable. You can far read. And sorry, I'm talking, so I might spit in the mirror. All right, I think that was the 2 minutes. All right. I don't know if y'all hear it, but if it's skip, now you see that it's on. All right, I turned it off myself, but that was pretty good, you guys. All right, so this is amazing. Way better than the one I have already. This one's from Costco. All right, that's just a regular toothbrush. But this one is more than regular, right? It vibrates, it oscillates, and it's a water flosser. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.